Hey! So, for today's video, I've got another unboxing video for you. And a lot of you really enjoy these videos on my channel. I think the reason why people like watching these videos is because I get to try a lot of independent brands' products, which are 9 times out of 10 really, really good, and I go back and buy them multiple times. And I really love supporting smaller businesses, so I'm always really happy to do these videos on my channel. This is the box, it's huge. The network that sends me these boxes is Social Network Solutions, and I will leave a link in the description box to those guys, and also a link to every company that I mention throughout this video, so I hope you enjoy. It always comes so nicely packaged, it honestly feels like Christmas. Let's get in. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out the biggest thing. This is hair straighteners. Oh my god, okay, cool. These look really cool. Diamond Shine Pro Salon Straightener. Apparently this is infused with real diamonds to leave hair smooth, frizz-free, and with plenty of gloss. The aesthetic on these straighteners is everything. These are by Nicky Clarke, so I'll leave a link to these in the description if anyone's interested, but they look so cool. I'm really excited to give these a try actually. Okay, next we have this cool looking box. Oh, this is Cohorted. I've had things from them before. They are really good. It's like a subscription box, like a luxury subscription box. Very sleek. So this looks like it's a brand specific subscription box this time, by Figs and Rouge, which I've never heard of, but it all looks really nice and luxurious. Stop! I keep dropping things! What's wrong with me? This is a Revive oil. I love an oil at the moment. I'm using them all the time on my skin. They're so good. Morning Restoration Rose Cream. So that's like a hydration cream. Cool. Day Detox Refining Serum. Oh, highlighting drops. Yes, that looks so nice. Then I've got Illumination Eye Balm Morning Reviver. Cool. Need that in the mornings, for sure. Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD. I'm guessing that's a primer, right? It all looks really nice. Anyway, yes. This makes me happy. So this is by Noughty Haircare. This is the To The Rescue Intense Moisture Treatment. I really love this brand. I've tried it loads before. I use their conditioning spray after I've washed my hair now, and honestly it makes my hair so soft and smooth. So I'm really excited to try this actually. And the best thing about it is that they have no sulfates, no parabens, there's nothing bad for your hair in it, and it's all really natural and I love it. So I'm really excited to try this. Thank you, Noughty. I actually have a discount code for Noughty, so if you want to get 25% off, just head over to their website. I feel like I'm talking really fast. So if you want to get 25% off, just head over to their website and type in Noughty25 in the discount code section, and you'll get 25% off. Oh my god, yes, I love candy kittens. My mum also loves these because she's vegan, so maybe I'll save a packet for her. But I mean, I love them too, so maybe not. Next we have this teeth whitening polish. This looks really cool. So basically what you do is you use this after you've brushed your teeth, and it makes them whiter with all natural ingredients. So it's got charcoal, peppermint and coconut oil in it, and those 3 things are meant to be really great for your teeth. So I'm excited to use that, and it's clinically tested and really gentle and stuff like that, so this excites me. Next I have a package from Majique. And they've also sent me something before. They're like a jewellery company. So the first thing they've sent me is this. I'm going to do that classic blogger thing where you do your hand to autofocus. Come on, there we go. I feel like a div doing this, but it has to be done. It's like a gold bracelet with a little heart with diamantes on. Oh, that's funky. Look at that. It's like a gold necklace with lots of hoops on it. Cute. And then I've also got some lovely blue kind of marble like earrings. Cute! They do loads of really unique jewellery on their website, so make sure to go and have a look at them if you are interested. Okay, next. This excites me. Hair Rehab are always something that I see on like the influencers that I follow. They always use Hair Rehab. I don't know how they would have got my hair colour though, because I didn't send it to them, so that'll be interesting. Oh, it's extensions! I've never worn extensions before, I have to admit, just because my hair's already very thick. But I did just have it cut recently. This looks like the right colour and I don't know how they got it. I didn't dye my hair that long ago and they've seemed to have smashed it. Wow, oh my god, soft. That is pretty much, like if you actually, this is my real ponytail. That is pretty much spot on. How did they do that? Wow, if you put that underneath, you would literally not even know. It's like the same length as my ponytail. These are so soft though, so if you are looking for hair extensions, these are something to look into for sure. I follow so many people who love these and they always look amazing, their hair looks unreal. It also comes with this little protective hanging thing, which is really cool. I've also got a 20% discount code for you for Hair Rehab, so if you use the code Rosie20, you'll get a nice big chunk of your purchase off. So make sure to go check them out. The link is down below. Next, I have this tiny, teeny little box from Regal Rose. It looks like a tiny sword. So this is what I have. And I don't know what it is. Oh! Okay, so I think it's an earring, and it goes through there and out the back. Wow, that is dramatic. That is so extra. Love it. That's cool. I don't know if I'm cool enough to pull that off, but I'm gonna probably try. I've also got a 10% discount for Regal Rose. They have so many nice products on their website, so go check them out and use the code ROSIE10 for 10% off. And finally, I have these two things from Hairburst. So these are unicorn vegan hair vitamins. I'm actually really intrigued to see what these taste like, so I'm gonna have one now. Tastes like sweets. Perfect. So these are natural hair vitamins including biotin, selenium, vitamins A, B6, B12, C and E. So basically all the good stuff to help your hair grow, keep you healthy. And then I have a shampoo and conditioner. I didn't know Hairburst did shampoo and conditioner. I thought they only did vitamins. Aesthetically, very pleasing. Pink and blue. Can't go wrong. Oh my god, that smells unreal. Yes, SLS and paraben free. You know I love that. Thank you so much, Hairburst. I've just run out of my shampoo and conditioner. Every time I get one of these packages, I've just run out of everything that I need, so it always comes at a perfect time. So that is it for this video. It was a quick one, but I hope you enjoyed it nevertheless. If you liked the look of anything you saw, I'll leave links to everything in the description box, along with discount codes, etc, etc. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little extra video, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye!